In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add TikTok Pixel to Shopify. We are going to do this using the official TikTok app for Shopify, which is the easiest and most reliable way to get your Pixel installed and sending the right website events back to TikTok. This helps TikTok understand what people do on your store, so your ads can optimize for actions like product views, add to cart, and purchases. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, go to Apps. From there, use the search to find the official TikTok app. Make sure it is the official one from TikTok. Then install the app and let it load its setup screen. Next, you will connect your account. Inside the TikTok app setup, click Connect. You will be prompted to log into your TikTok for Business account. Follow the sign-in prompts and approve any requested permissions, so Shopify and TikTok can communicate properly. After you are signed in, you will link your TikTok Business Center and your TikTok Ads Manager account. This step matters because the pixel and its data need to be associated with the correct business and ad account. Select the business center you use for your brand, then choose the Ads Manager account you plan to run campaigns from. Take your time here and confirm you are linking the right accounts, especially if you manage more than one. Now set up your data sharing preferences. In the section labeled Data Sharing, choose Maximum. This setting enables the strongest tracking option available through the integration, which generally improves the quality of reporting and optimization. It can also help your campaigns learn faster because TikTok receives more complete event signals. Finally, click Finish Setup. Once you complete this, Shopify will automatically start firing key events for you, including view content when someone views a product, add to cart when they add an item to their cart. You do not need to manually add pixel code when you use this official app flow. At this point, your TikTok pixel is connected to your Shopify store and event tracking should be active. That covers everything you need to know.